This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, shall we start up the session, please?
Yeah,
All right. So yesterday we have seen document marking. So in document marking, we've seen various technical inputs as well. How to create, how to assign user to tolerant groups, and we have understood what document concept and how this will be used. Even we have also seen the internal mailing facility within SAP. Okay. So that was the last session which we had on the topic document marking, and today's topic is intercompany code transactions or cross-company code transactions. Please do remember, it is not intra-company code, it is intercompany code transactions. Okay, intercompany code. When a transaction is called as intercompany code or cross-company code transaction, definitely it's a business transaction. So when a business transaction is being considered as intercompany code or cross-company code transaction, it's very simple. If any transaction has taken place between two company codes, then the transaction is called as intercompany code transaction, which is also called as cross company code transaction. I repeat once again, the concept behind intercompany code transaction: the transaction which has taken place, which has happened, or an activity which has taken place or done between two company codes of the same company, then that transaction is called as intercompany or cross-company code transaction. That means, to see the scenario of inter transactions, minimum we need to have two company codes. Okay, so because the transaction between two company codes is being categorized, being classified, being known as intercompany code or cross-company code transaction. Let me take an example. Hope my screen is visible. So already we have created one company code, that is MMI1. I'm assuming one more company code, MMI2, to understand company code scenario. Okay, so two company codes, one is MMI, another one is MI2. Assume MMI2 is a company code, both are company codes only. MMI2, MMI1 is an old company code, MMI2 is a newly established organization, newly established business entity. So assume, as it has established recently, it might not be having final funds. It might not be having freedom to spend its financial resources effectively without any hesitation, or it might be having some problems related to the funds or related to the budgets to continue or to do transactions. In that scenario, what it do is it take help from the previous company code, that is MM1. What I mean to say is, MI2 is a newly established company, which is having some problems with respect to budget or finance. So to do its activities, to go on with its activities, it is taking financial help from the MMI1. That means whatever the expenses incurred by MMI2 code, those expenses will be paid by company code on the request of MMI2. That means expenses will be incurred by MI2, which is a new company code, and those expenses will be met by MMI1 company code. So what MMI2 has done is, as a new company code, MMI2 has requested to make the payment for the transactions done by MMI2. Okay, and these payments will be made by this expense met by the I1, and later on in future, when the position of MMI2 comes good, it will reimburse or it will pay back the amount to the MMI1. So a point we need to understand from my explanation is, some transaction has taken place, and this transaction is taking place between two companies. two companies are being involved in the transaction. Therefore, this transaction to be inter-code transaction or cross-company code transaction. Repeat once again for your clarities. I am assuming two company codes, MMI1, which we have already. One more company code, I am taking MI2, which is a new company code that as it is a new company code, I am assuming that it is having some financial crisis, and to meet its activities, to conduct its business organization, business activities, it is taking help from the old company code, that is MMI1. It means the payments of MMI2 being paid by the MMI1 on request, okay, and later on when funds are adjusted, when finance are adjusted in the company code MMI2, MMI2 will pay the amount to the MMI1. So the transactions are related to MMIT, payments are related to MMIT, but being paid by MMI1 for time being. So MMI2 becomes good financially. When it becomes wrong, it will pay back the to the MMI1. So how this transaction, how this will be seen, how this transaction which has taken place between two company codes within SAP system, that will be understood under the topic called intercompany code transaction or cross company code transaction. Okay, hope I'm clear with my explanation. Right? Hello,
Yeah.
am I audible, please?
Yes.
So let us see the
Yeah, you're audible.
SAP configuration with, yeah, with respect to intercompany code transaction. Please take step number one. Step number one. So to see this transaction, we need to create one more code. So take down the step, create one more company code called MMI2. You can take any need MMI2. Just for easy remembrance sake, I am taking MMI2. Create one more company code called MMI2 using using EC01 EC01 using EC01, transaction code is EC01, by copying, write very carefully, by copying existing company code MMI1, company code MMI1. Please take down the path. It's SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. SPRO in command. SPRO in the command box. SPRO in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. Click SAP reference IMG. IMG. Click on enterprise structure. Enterprise. Click on enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Then after enterprise structure, it is definition, 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 then financial accounting, then edit, copy, delete, company code, edit, copy, delete, check company code. After financial accounting, it is edit, copy, delete, check company code. Edit, copy, delete company code. Click on the clock icon beside edit, copy, delete, check company code. Clock icon. Click on the clock icon. Then write down very carefully. Double click on copy, delete, check company code. First option. Double click on, write down very carefully, please. Double click on copy, delete, check company code. I said double click, write down very carefully. Double click on copy, delete, check company code. Takes time, please. Then click on copy as, copy organizational object icon. Here you can see on copy organizational object icon. Copy organizational object. On this, it takes, please do. So you can see here some processing is going on. 70% associated table. On the bottom left side, you can see that one clock is rotating. So should read 100% tables. So till we 100 need to wait. So it takes time. Please do have patience. In real time, it will take more than 4 to 5 hours. So give from company code. From company means the company code from which you want to copy in order to create a new company code. Just go back to the description which I've given. More company code called MI2 using EC01 by copying existing company code MI1. Means we would like to create a new company code called by copying existing company code MMI1. From company code will become MMI1 and two company code will become MMI2. Here you can from company code to company code. So in from company code give one MMI1 and two company code it is MMI. It not be MMI2. You can give any company 4-digit code MMI2. So from company code MMI1 and two company code MMI2. Then press enter. Enter. As soon as you enter, system will give some message. Look at message. Only copy the GL accounts if you want to allocate the same chart of accounts to the target company code as to the source code. I repeat once again. Observe my reading very carefully. Only copy the GL accounts if you want to allocate the same chart of accounts. CH by ACCTS means chart of accounts. Only copy the GL accounts if you want to allocate the same chart of accounts to the target company code as to the source company code. So here source company code is MMI1, target company code is MMI2. Source company code is existing company code or old company code. Target company code is new company code, that is MMI2. So what system is saying is have created some GL accounts in company code MMI1. So system is saying that if you want to use the same chart of accounts of company code MMI1, then only copy the GL accounts created under MMI1 in order to create the GL accounts in MMI2. So if you want to use the same chart accounts for these two company codes, then copy the GL accounts which were in company code MMI1. Otherwise, do not create. So generally, we use the same chart of accounts. Okay. So then, do you want to copy the GL account company code data? Then write down. Click on yes. Click on yes. By clicking on yes, what system will do is system will create the GL accounts in company code MMI2 which were created in company code MMI1. Again, we don't need to create GL accounts in I2 specifically. So whatever the GL accounts, whatever the number of accounts so far created in company code MMI1, those will be copied and created in company code MMI2 as well. So click on yes. So as soon as you create, you click on yes, system has given one more message. The reference company code has local currency INR. Reference company code means existing company code, that is MM1. MM is having local currency as INR. If you allocate different local currency to target company code, GL accounts with currency INR also changed. Do you want to allocate a different local currency to target company code? In real, it can be different local currency or it can be the same currency, same local currency. is asking, do you want to allocate a different local currency to target company code? Local currency means other than INR. So in real time, it may, for the new company might local currency may be INR or may not be the INR. Case to avoid future complications, let us take the same currency, that is INR, for code MMI2 as well. So do you want to allocate different local currency to target company code? Click on no. Click on no. Then write down carefully. Get the message. Get the message. Certain data was not copied. Please message. Get the message. Certain data are copied. Ignore the message. Ignore the message. Press enter. It will take some time. Ignore the message. Press enter. Again, ignore the message. You can see the message, some lengthy message. Ignore the message. Send. Again, it will take some time. Patience. See, the percentage is increasing, 24%, 25. So all the data which we have created MMI1 system is reading now and copying to MI2 new company. Whatever the settings we have done so far in MMI2, all those settings will be by the system in the company code MMI2, which we are creating right now. Fine. So again press enter. Again press enter. Again it will take some time, please. Ignore the message. Ignore the message. Press enter. Press enter. Again press enter. Again press enter. Again press enter. Again press enter. Get message. Get the message. Company code MM1. Please note down the message. Company code MMI1 copied to MMI2. Get the message. Company code MMI1 copied to MMI2. 98 range objects without 98 number range objects. Ignore the message. Ignore the message. Press enter. Ignore the message. Press enter. That's it. Next step. So we have created company code MI2. Step number 2. Assign company code MMI2 to the company. Assign company code MM2 to the company using OX16. Use OX16. OX16. Please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Then RO command. SPRO in the command. Present. On SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Assignment. Assignment. Then financial accounting. Then assign company code to company. Assign company code to company. Assign company to company. So click on this clock icon, assign company code to company. Click on clock icon beside assign company code to company. Click on position. You can see, click on position. Give the number MMI1. Don't get confused. Do the company code MI1. In the step description, while giving description, that is step number 2, I said company code MI2. See here, assign company code to MMI2 to the company using OX16. But here I am saying you to give MMI1 only. In the description I have given MMI2. Here saying MM1. It correct only. You will understand why I have given MMI1. So give company code MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. See, we have created MMI2. Against MMI2, give the company MM1234, which is a global company, global entity, consolidated entity, which will indicate multiple countries. So against company code MMI2, give MM1234. Click.
Jay, your voice is breaking sometimes.
How about now? Clear now?
Yeah, it's fine. No, again it was
Yeah,
breaking.
fine. So just check out once again. How about now?
Yeah, it's fine.
Is it clear? Yeah,
Yeah.
fine. So yeah, click on save, present, and get the message data was saved. Click on save, press enter, and get the message data was saved. Right. See, we have created, before going further, before we learn further under this concept of intercompany code transaction, we have done 2 steps. First step, we have created new company code called MI2, and we have created this new company. Listen to my explanation very carefully, please. This is where the concept comes to the picture. See, in step number 1, what we have done is we have created a new company MMI2, and this new company MMI2 we have created by copying from the existing company code MMI1. So by copying existing company code MMI, we have created two. That means whatever the settings we have done under the company code MI1 so far, all those settings will be copied to MI2. So let me show you some example. See, we have created some few GL accounts under the company code MI1. Let me show you. See, company code MMI1. In company code MMI1, we have created 3 GL accounts. 1 lakh 1 cash GL, 3 lakh 1 rent GL account, 3 lakh 2 salaries GL account. Okay, same GL accounts you can find in new company code MMI2 as well, because MMI2 company code is a new company code which create copying MMI1. Therefore, whatever the settings we have done with respect MMI1, those settings will be done by the system in company code MMI2 as well. Means all these 3 GL accounts must be existing in code MMI2. Let us check. I'm taking one more session. I'm creating moving one more screen. FS00. Here I'll change the company code MMI2. Better see, in MMI2 also system has created 2 GL accounts. Understood?
Yes.
Right. Fine. Next step number 3. Going to the step number 3. Just my assumption to make you understand code transaction, what I am assuming is just writing some few points. It is you write in your notebook. MMI1 is an existing company code Then MMI2 is a new company code as MMI as the company code MI is new company code established recent. It is take help from the existing company code MI1 its payments oblique expenses or to meet its expense to meet its expenses. Later on that is in future, later on in future, I repeat once again, as the company code MMI2 is a new company code established recently, it is taking help from the existing company code MMI1 for its payments or to meet its expenses. Okay, for example, write down like this. For example, MMI2 company code MMI2 has requested company code MMI1. For example, code MMI2 requested MMI1 to pay its rent under company code MMI1 has accepted the request of MMI2 accepted the request of company code MMI2. I repeat once again. For example, code MMI2 requested company code MMI1 to its and company code MMI1 has accepted the request of company code MMI2. Now the rent of MMI2, rent of company code MMI2 will be paid by code MMI1. I repeat once again, follow my reading very carefully. The rent payable by the company code MMI2 will be paid by company code MMI1. See the transaction which is happening in this transaction, two company codes are being involved. Therefore, this transaction or this activity said to be intercompany code transaction or cross company transaction. Here, what is happening? The rent payable MMI2, company code MMI2 is being paid by company code MI1. So in this activity, which company code is losing cash? MI2 or MMI1?
MMI1.
MMI1 is losing. Actually, who has to lose the cash? MMI2 has to lose the cash. Ideally
Yes.
speaking, rent is an expense to be paid by MMI2. It is raising MMI1 to make the rent payment on behalf of MMI2. So therefore, MMI1 is losing the cash, and later on in future, okay, write down now. Later on the MMI2 will pay back to the company code MMI1. Okay, so to view this scenario, we will have to do some more configurational settings. Let's see that. Step number 3. Step number 3, please. Important, please keep star mark for this. Number 3. Create intercompany GL account. Create intercompany GL account in company code MMI1 under the account group assets using F00. Create intercompany G account in company code MMI1 under the account group assets using FS00. So take down the notes. 00, give FS00 in the command box. Give 00 in the command box. Just for a while, I will stop sharing my screen. Again, I will on it. Yeah. So I'm sharing my screen. So give FS00 in the command box. FS00 command box. Press enter. Click on assets account group, which is on the left side. Click on assets account group, which is on left side. Assets account group, which is left side. And click on create. Give the GL account 1 lakh, because already 1 lakh one has been used. So I'm creating a new GL account. I cannot use 1 lakh one number for the new GL account. I should use next number which is available. GL account 1 lakh 2. Give the company code MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Here, select the account group assets. Select the account group assets. Select the balance sheet account radio. Select the balance sheet account radio button. Short text MM02 account. MM02 means under company code MMI1, we are representing M0, new company code, and the GL account long text MM02 account. MM02 account. Slowly you will send MM02 account. So click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. Select only balances in local currency checkbox. Select only balances in local currency checkbox. Select line item display checkbox. Line item display box. Then give the sort key 001. You can give any sort, just I'm giving 001. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Give the field status group G001. Give the field status group G001. Click on save. Click on save and get the message. Data saved. Get the message, data saved. Next, step number 4, important star mark. Step number 4, create intercompany account in company code MMI2. Create intercompany account in company code MMI2 under the account group liabilities using FS00. Create intercompany GL account in company code MMI2 under the account group liabilities using FS00. So next, take down the path. Give FS00 in the command box. Give FS00 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Write down very carefully. Click on change company code icon. Click on change company code icon. Here you can see change company code icon. Give the company code MMI2. Give the company code MMI2. Press enter. Press enter. Click on create. Click on create. Here you can see. Click on create. Give the GL account 2 lakhs 2. 2 lakh series is for liabilities account which we create. 2 lakhs 2 and company code MMI2. Give the company MMI2. Press enter. Press enter. Here account group, select liabilities. Account group, select liabilities. Select balance sheet account radio button. Select balance sheet account radio button. Give the short text MM01 account. MM01 account. Long text MM01 account. MM01 account. Click on control data tab. Click on control data tab. Select only balances in local currency box. Select only balances in local currency box. Select line item display box, line item display checkbox, and give the sort key 001, key 001. Click on Create Bank of Interest tab. Click on Create Bank Interest tab. Give the field group G1. Give the field status group G001 and click on Save. Get the message data was saved. Get the message data saved. Data saved. Next step. Again important, conceptually very important. Setting wise is also very important step. So keep star mark for that. Again, step number 5. 5. Automatic account assignment. Automatic account assignment for intercompany code transactions. Automatic account assignment for intercompany code transactions using OBYA. Using OBYA. So just for the time being, I'm stopping the sharing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. Then SPR in the command box, press enter. SPRY in the command box, press enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. Click on SAP IMG. Then financial accounting. Here you can see financial accounting, general ledger accounting, general ledger accounting, general ledger accounting, then business transactions, business transactions, then prepare cross company code transactions, prepare cross company code transactions, prepare cross company code transactions. Click on clock icon beside prepare cross company code transactions. Click on the clock icon. Give the company code 1 MMI1, old company code or company code. Give the company code 1 MMI1. Then company code 2, new company code which we create, that is MMI2. So give company 1 MMI1, give the company code to MMI2, press enter, press enter. Then debit posting key, see here company 1, that means MMI1. Debit posting key, debit will be created with 40. Debit posting key 40, account debit. Just click on this drop button. Press enter. Click on button, press enter. See, double click on intercompany code GL account, that is MM02 account 1 lakh 2. MM02 account. I repeat once again. Click on the drop down button. Here company code must be MMI1. MMI1. Press enter. Double click on 1 lakh 2 MM02 account. That means we are assigning MM2 GL account in company code MMI1. Next, credit posting key 50. Credit posting key 50 and account credit same. Click on drop down button. Click on down button. Ensure that company code MM1. If system doesn't show, you have to enter manually. So ensure that company code must be M1. Press enter and double click on 1 lakh 2 MM02 account. MM02 account 1 lakh 2. Next, in company code 2. Company code 2 means MMI2. Posting key 40. Debit posting key 40. And account debit. Click on this down button. Click on the drop down button. Give the company code MMI2. Press enter and double click on 2 lakhs to MM01 account. Double click on 2 lakhs to MM01 account. Again, credit posting key 50. Credit posting key 50. Account credit. Same. Click on this drop down button. Do the company code MMI2. Give the company code MMI2. Press enter. Press enter. Double click on 2 lakhs to MM01 account. Double click on 2 lakhs to MM01 account. MM01 account. So click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Press enter. Get the message change have been made. get the message changes have been made. Changes have been made. Next step. Step number 6. Step number 6. Activate intercompany code transaction. Active intercompany code transaction for the document type, for the document SA. Activate intercompany code transaction for the document type SA using A7. I repeat once again the description. Activate intercompany code transaction for the document SA UOB. As for the time being, I'll stop screen. Again, I'll please do wait. I'm sharing my screen. The step which we are supposed to see is step number 6. Activate intercompany code transaction for the document type SA using OBA7. So please OBA7 in the command box. OBA7 in the command box. Press enter. Click position. Click on position. Click on position. Click on position. Give the document type SA. Give the document type SA. Give the document type SA. With the name administrator, I am getting some distance. Can you please yourself from your end? Kindly mute administrator. So document type SA, give document type SA, press enter. Select the document type SA with color. Select the document type SA with color. Select the document type SA with color. Click on details icon. It is something look like this. Click on details icon. See, you can see here intercompany postings. Intercompany postings. Under control data section, under control data box, you can see an option, a box called intercompany postings. So select intercompany postings box. Select intercompany postings checkbox. Select intercompany postings checkbox. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter and get the message data was saved. And get the message data was saved. See, the point we have activated, selected this intercompany posting box means without activating this, enabling this is not allowed to process intercompany code transactions using type EJ. So, for processing intercompany code transactions in both the codes MMI1 and MMI2, this option must be activated. So activating this particular option will ensure that or allow end user to process cross company code or intercompany code transaction both the company codes, that is MMI1 and MMI2 in our example. Then next, last step, step number 7. This is very important, very important, please. It is an end user activity, so it's 2 star marks. Step number 1, process or post intercompany transaction using F-02, using F-02, using F-02, F-02 with brackets. I'm taking one scenario, rent pertaining to company code MMI2 being paid by company code MMI1. This is the example transaction I'm taking. Scenario I'm taking. So rent on company code MMI2 being paid by MMI1 on the request to clearly write down rent of, let's say 77,000. You can take just taking 70,000. Rent of 77,000 into company code MMI2 being paid by company code MMI1. That means this rent is an expense related to company code MMI2. Actually speaking, MMI2 has to pay this rent, but request of MMI2, as cash is not available with MMI2, MMI1 is rent payment. So cash will be lost in company code MMI1. So this is a transaction which is taking place. In this transaction, 2 company codes are being involved. Therefore, this transaction must and should be processed in both the company codes, right?
Yes.
So it has to be recorded in both the company codes, means record must be available with respect to transaction in both the company codes, that is in MMI1 as well as in MMI2. So record should be available means it shall be processed. It must be processed in both the company codes. As processing in both company codes, document will be generated in 2 company codes separately. That is what we need. 2 documents will be created. One
Ajay,
document
your voice is
one
breaking
company
again.
code. How about please? Is it clear?
Now even it's breaking.
Am I clear? Hello?
No, actually it's breaking again.
It's still breaking.
Yes.
Hello? Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's
Am I
fine now.
audible clearly? Yeah, fine.
Yes.
Okay. So it has to get recorded in both the company codes. Should be recorded in MMI1 as well as in MMI2. That means document should be generated. One document will be generated in MMI1, another document will be generated in MMI2. But end user will process only once. He will process only once. Document will be created individually in individual company codes. So how it will be done? That will be taken care by system. Now let's see how we need to process this transaction as an intercompany code transaction using F-02. So now give F-02 in the command box. Give F-02 in the command box. Press enter. Write very carefully, please. Give F-02 in the command. Press enter. Do the document date, today's date, the document date, today's date, give the document type SA. If you apply carefully for the document, we have activated intercompany posting. Intercompany option has been activated, enabled for the document type SA. So document type SA, company code, write down very carefully. Company code MMI1, existing company code, posting date, today's date, posting period 3, posting period 3, posting period 3, the currency INR, currency INR. Next, posting key. By default, system will give 40. Please listen to my explanation carefully. Posting key by default system will give 40. We need to change it into 50. Posting key 50. This is the area where you have to take care while processing the transaction. Posting key 50. Then GL account 1 cash GL account. See, cash will be lost. Cash is being by MMI1. It is paying on behalf of MMI2. MMI1 is paying rent, means MMI1 company code will lose the cash. Therefore, it is 50 credit going out. So posting key 50, the cash GL account 1,01,000. Press enter. Press enter. Do the amount. Is the amount 77,000? Example amount taken 77. So give 77. Give the text. Text. Rent of company code MMI2 being paid by company code MMI1. I'm giving you the text very carefully. Very meaningfully, I'm giving you the text. Looking at the text, we will understand that it is an intercompany or cross-company code transaction. Rent of company code MMI2. It is an expense to be paid by MMI2. Actually, it has to be paid MMI2. It has to be by MMI2. But for MMI1 is making payment. So therefore, I have given the text very meaningfully stating that rent of company code MMI2 being paid by company code MMI1. Next, posting key 40. 40. Give the GL account 3 lakh GL account 3 lakh 1, 3 lakh 1. give the posting key 40, account 3,01,000 GM. Carefully write down. This is a new option. New option. Here you can new company code field. Are you able to this? New company code field visible?
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. So in new company code, give MMI2. MMI2. In new company code field, give MMI2. That means, see, look at the screen carefully. 1 lakh cash account under the company code MMI1. As cash balance is reducing, is being affected in company code MMI1. In company code MMI1, we're using 1 lakh one. And this cash is lost MMI1 because of rent expense pertaining to MMI. That is the reason why against 3 lakh 1 we represent rent. Against this 3 lakh 1 we are giving MMU command. So system will that rent of MMI2, rent of MMI2 being paid MMI1 in the form of cash. Hope I am clear with my explanation.
Your voice is breaking. That's why it's not clear.
Yeah, how about now? I repeat once again. See, here
Yeah.
against this 3 lakh represent rent. Against 3 lakh one we are giving MMI2 because this rent pertains to MMI2 company code, which is being MMI1. Therefore, in MMI1 we have to use cash GL account. In MMI2 we are supposed to use rent GL account. Clearly understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. So new company code MMI2. Press enter. Write down very careful. Press enter. Give star in amount field. Give star in amount field plus text field. You know the purpose of star and plus. Give in amount field plus text field. Hello? Still breaking?
Yeah.
Give star in amount field plus in text. Yeah. At my place. How about now? Am I audible? Am I audible, please?
Yeah.
Hello? Am I clearly audible?
Yeah. Now it's fine. Yeah. Now it's fine.
Be on the line. Please be on the line. Hello? Am I audible now?
Yes.
Am I audible, please? Yeah, right. So give star in amount field plus in text field. Click on document on the main menu. Click on document on the main menu. Click on simulate. Click on simulate. Click on simulate. See, observe the screen carefully. Even cash account 1 lakh 1, 3 lakh 1 rent GL account we have given manually. System has picked up 2 more GL accounts automatically. 1 lakh 2 and 2 lakh 2. Where from it has taken? Any guess?
Hello?
Guess please. Yeah.
In that new company code.
Any guess where from system taken? Yeah, we have done some settings earlier. OBYA, we have assigned these real
Maybe
accounts.
this automatic account
Your
assignment for
voice is
intercompany code transaction.
correct. Okay, so write down carefully. Double click on first blue line item. Double click on first line item and give the text of company code MI2 being paid by company code MMI1. Text rent of company code MMI2 being paid by company code MI1. Click on back. Click on back. Click on back. Then click on last blue line item. Double click on last blue line item and give the text rent of company code MMI being paid by company code MMI1. Give the text rent of company code MMI2 being paid by company code MMI1. Click on back. Click on back. Click on post. Click on post. Click on post and observe the message carefully. Which system will throw us? I'm clicking on post. See here. In company code MMI1, system has created document number 19. In company code MMI2, system has created document number 1. Two different documents have been created in different company codes. Means in this transaction, two company codes are being involved. Therefore, record shall be maintained in two company codes. To maintain record of this transaction in two company codes, system has created one document in MMI1, another document in MMI2. Okay, so click on continue. Click on continue. That's it. Okay, that's all for answer. Prithvi, are you in the line?
Yeah, sir. Hello.
The name administrator, huh?
Yeah.
Prithvi. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Tell me.
Yeah. Say Prithvi, you can leave the session, please. I'm done with the session.
Yeah, Jay, can you explain my doubt today?
Yeah. Is it okay?
Can you? Your voice is breaking now.
Hello?
Yeah. How about now?
Yeah, it's okay. Fine now.
I'm done with the checks. Other can leave this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
పృథ్వీ
Yeah, sir.
నేను మిమ్మల్ని ప్రెజెంట్ చేస్తాను.
Okay, sir.
ఒకసారి మీ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి.
Okay. I need to click on share button, sir, right?
కరెక్ట్, అంతే. అవునవును.
Yeah.
ఒకసారి మీ
Yeah,
SAP
click
ఓపెన్ చేయండి.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. సార్ ఓపెన్ చేశాను. ఒకసారి నేను ప్రొసీజర్ చేయనా సార్? అదే యాక్చువల్లీ మీ మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రొసీజర్
చేయండి. OBA7 OBA7
ఓబి A7 కదా సార్?
A7 ప్రెసెంట్. No problem, let it take time. Click on position.
Yeah.
SA document type SA presenter. select document type SA, click on that magnifying glass, left one, right one, second one, yeah,
Details.
details.
Yeah, number
Click on
range.
more information.
Okay.
మీ కంపెనీ కోడ్ ఏంటి ఎంటర్ చేయండి.
I1. Click on change intervals.
Click
sir.
on change intervals.
Yeah.
Give 01 there.
Okay.
Year 2019.
Okay.
From number 1.
Hello.
From number third
Yeah,
field.
actually
From number 1.
Actually path
Don't
లో
worry. చేంజ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ తర్వాత
Okay.
మీకు ఇన్సర్ట్ ఇంటర్వెల్ అని చెప్పినాను, బట్ మీది
Yeah,
కొంచెం హైయర్ వర్షన్ మీరు యూజ్ చేస్తుంది.
Okay, okay, sir.
సో గివ్ ఫ్రమ్ నంబర్ 1 2 number 1000.
10,000.
Save. Click save. Press it. That's it. అయిపోయింది.
ఓకే, అంటే ఇది కొంచెం అడ్వాన్స్ వర్షన్ వల్ల అలా వస్తుంది. అంటే ఇది విత్ జిఎస్టి కాబట్టి ఇలా వస్తుందా సార్?
లేదు కాదు. నేను సపోజ్ చిన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను. నేను 6 వర్షన్ యూస్ చేస్తే మీరు 7 వర్షన్ చేస్తారు, అంత డిఫరెన్స్.
ఓకే 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 సార్, దీని గురించి ఏమైందా ఎందుకు వస్తుందా అనుకున్నా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. రేపటి నుంచి నేను రెగ్యులర్ గా అటెండ్ అవుతాను సెషన్స్ సార్. నాకు షిఫ్ట్ కూడా చేంజ్ అయింది.
ఓకే
ఓకే
ఓకే,
థ్యాంక్ యూ
వెరీ గుడ్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఎర్రర్స్ రావడం అనేది పృథ్వీ, ఎందుకంటే ఇంకా నువ్వు లైఫ్ టైం మర్చిపోవు ఇంక ఇది. వేరే ఏదైనా మర్చిపోతావేమో, కానీ ఇది మాత్రం ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో మర్చిపోవు. ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ వస్తే అంత బాగా సబ్జెక్ట్ అర్థమవుతుంది, అంత బాగా సెట్టింగ్స్ అర్థమవుతాయి.
ఓకే సార్.
చాలా మంది ఏమనుకుంటారంటే, సో మెనీ పీపుల్ విల్ థింక్ దట్ ఐ సో మెనీ ఎర్రర్స్, ది ఫ్యాకల్టీ హ్యాస్ నాట్ టాట్ మీ వెరీ వెల్. Okay, SAP is not at all good. Okay, it is irritating me. I'm getting frustration. They do not understand that. So many errors will give you more clarity because you focus on that.
Okay,
right?
sir. Yeah.
Okay, Prithvi. Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Prithvi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Tell me,
before